Hello guys, my YouTube sucks. I have not been able to upload to Slaydosen519, my official channel, so I'm probably gonna have to go back to my original channel. So anyone watching this, which is like 2 people, maybe. Yeah, you're gonna have to watch on my previous channel. Yeah. I don't even know if this video is gonna upload to Slaydosen519. So, yeah. That's basically it. I guess I'll see you in the future. That was awful. How do I stop recording? Sorry. Goodbye.